everybody, and I'm going to show you what I got at the American Girl place in Kansas. I went back a second time, but first I'm going to show you, well, I went to Great Wolf Lodge, and I got back, and I got this BFF bracelet. It's with my other friend, so we went to Great Wolf Lodge together. And, well, this is from Michael's. It's a doll craft. And stuff. I already took it out, so. And then doll hair, swan, all the best stuff. And at the mall, besides the American Girl place, okay, I went to Walmart and I got an Angry Bird. Just gonna be like the stuffed animal or something. And then, for the Costco, I just got some clothes and a bag and stuff. You probably don't care to see that, so. Well, I got like the brochure. And I got the magazine. And then they gave me this poster. And then I got Kanani's hair done in a braid, and I got her ears pierced. It's so cute. And then in a little bag, doll earring tips, and then some earrings that I'm not gonna open right now. And I also got the Addie mini doll. I'll open. One here. There we go. Okay. Just stick that. Okay, and should stick out right there. And this other side. Sorry, I got some stuff, and then I did the summer reading event, and stick that on that stick. Did the summer reading event, and I got the free book. Here she is, little Addie mini doll. And then her book and a sticker in there. Addie surprise, and then a little sticker. So yeah, I got her. I was gonna get a different one, but she's only here. Okay, well, she's only gonna be here for this year, so I got her. I was gonna get Rebecca, but I didn't. Okay, and then I did the summer reading event. I got Miles of Smiles. And then doll hair care. And then some stickers from the summer reading event. And then, oh, okay, I can't find it. Okay, I got Kanani's ukulele set. And I haven't opened any of this. Just that thing. And then this, I'm not going to open this right now. I'm just going to show you what's all in it. A little card, Aloha. And then a ukulele. So yeah. That's the ukulele set. And I guess the food is in the basket. And then I got, what is this? Oh, Kanani's Aloha outfit. Oh, it's on the other side. Aloha. I'm going to put that on here. And a little, ooh, these things are so cute. It's like a little ribbon. And ooh, these things are really cute. I like those. Okay, ooh, I love these flowers. They're so cute. I love this. And there's one more thing. Oh, a little bracelet. That bracelet's really cute. So that's all I got at the American Girl place, and yeah, at the mall. So thanks for watching. Bye.